Hello everybody, this is a quick overview of the Shadow Stripe video template. This template is specially made for Facebook cover videos, and this is how it will look like on your Facebook page. Now let's jump into the video editor. Like many other templates, this one is made of an introduction followed by a couple of text slides, just like that, and an outro with your contact information. Let's see the introduction here. We have a logo and a title. The logo panel is quite standard. You can show or hide the logo, change the logo by clicking on the select button, or adjust the size. Here you can see there's a little logo reveal animation right there. You can change the animation by dragging the animation duration slider there. Now keep in mind that this is a premium feature only. To change the title, click on the title tab. Here you can have text on multiple lines. You can change the text color or the shadow color. Now this is not very obvious, but there's a little shadow right there behind, so this is what this color picker will change. You can change the text size, and there's a couple of extra premium features here at the bottom where you can change the shadow distance and the shadow effect speed. All right, let's jump into the slides. Now, these are text-only slides. You have a title and a subtitle. To add a slide, just click on the Add Slide button, and to delete a slide, click on the Delete button and the little garbage bin. Now, when you're done, you just click on the Done button. To edit a slide, just click on the corresponding text. Here we have a title and a subtitle. Now, both forms are similar, so I'm just going to do the title one. Here you can change the text size, text color, shadow color, just like in the introduction, and the same premium features where you can adjust the shadow, like distance and animation speed. Okay, now the introduction. You have a logo, which you can hide if you want, just like that, and contact information. Now, each contact line, is preceded by a little icon here. So to change the contact line, just click on the corresponding icon, okay? Here you will be able to change the icon and the text. So to change the icon, just click on the select button. Here you will find tons of icons which are provided by the Font Awesome library. You can also make a search just like that and choose your icon, which will appear right there. Okay, so now we'll just take a look at the following features here. Title fonts, subtitle font. There are only two fonts in this generator. So these are the title right there, and these are the subtitles. Okay. If you change the background color, you will have probably to adjust your shadow color to make it look good. Okay. Now we have a couple of premium features only here. The rotation time is this. So when you see the text disappears or disappears, there's a little rotation effect. This is what the slider here will adjust. And there's a character delay slider here. So if you look carefully, the characters are just going to animate like that, and you can adjust the speed of this animation using the character delay slider. And finally, there's a watermark. This is a premium only feature. You can adjust everything if you are a premium. You can hide it, change whatever you want. And that's it. Keep in mind that this is a premium only feature. So this was a quick overview of the Shadow Stripe video template. Thank you for watching and have a great day.